Personal finance tips that will change the way you think about money. Financial awareness is the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills, which include budgeting, retirement plans, managing debt, and tracking personal spending. Create a realistic monthly budget and save money. Don't save what is left after spending, spend what is left after saving, is the advice given by the world's most successful investor Warren Buffett. The best way to build your savings is to start early. Doing so allows you to take advantage of the power of compounding over the years. Set financial goals and decide how much you want to save. Start by asking yourself questions to determine your exact financial goals. Every time you get paid, apply the popular rule of budgeting, 50-15-15-20 rule. 50% for needs, 15% for wants, 15% for investment, 20% for savings. Number 1, the 50% for needs. The original rule states that up to 50% of your income must be spent on your needs like electricity, water bill, rent, fuel, groceries, etc. 2, 15% for wants. The next 15% of your income can be used to fulfill your wants. You may want to live a certain lifestyle. You may want to dine out, watch a movie in a theater, pursue a hobby, go on vacation. Purchase luxury items like watches, bags, electronic items, and more. Number 3, the 15% for investments. The goal of investing is to buy assets that may provide financial growth over time. Some investment options you may want to look into for building wealth include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, money market funds. Number 4, the 20% for savings. Savings offer you a cushion for any financial emergency. Medical treatments, house or car maintenance, and more. Savings also help you stay financially prepared to achieve your long-term goals, such as buying a house, your child's higher education or wedding, a comfortable retirement, and more. Take advantage of compound interest. Compound interest is earned on both a principal amount and its accrued interest. Get rid of all your debts and commit to staying debt-free. Debt is not necessarily bad in all instances, but it is something to be avoided most of the time. Debt will keep draining your money as you make it. If you have any debt, make paying it off one of your top financial priorities. Liquid funds for financial contingency. Life is always throwing new challenges. While you cannot predict these, you can always prepare for them. The purpose of the emergency fund is to provide a strong cushion for your finance in case of a crisis. It helps you to take care of any financial emergency without disrupting your investments. Start a business, with 3 out of 4 millionaires being self-employed individuals and entrepreneurs. Starting your own business might be a venture you may want to consider if you're interested in accumulating wealth. Save for retirement now, no matter how young you are. Plan for your retirement. With the power of compound interest, when you start saving, you will earn interest not only on the principal you deposit, but also on the interest you earn over time, and you will have what you need to retire someday. Guard your and your family members' health. Plans for your family when you are not around. Life insurance and a term life insurance policy are necessary for all. It allows you to secure your family's financial future when you are not around.